From the islands of Andaman to the classrooms of Presidency University.
Dev, in one word, reliable. The epitome of reliability is what I have experienced about him. Whether it is in the capacity of managing the chief guest, whether it is in the capacity of taking care of the transportation, arranging, strategizing, controlling, team building, time management, the entire package in one is Devanand.
You have seen him in Netflix's Kala Pani. Now meet the real Dev.
I know this guy for the last 2 years. Start from the first year, Namabazar. He's a complete unknown guy. But later on, we realized the potential of this guy who can bring the team together. And many of the things which we have been struggled to push through from the students, this guy came forward and really worked hard day and night to put the event in place, organized properly, executed things very good. Be it a student or a faculty or external person, it's a great show.
Dev Anand, performer, dreamer, Presidency University's energetic star.